Top 10 Most Impactful AI Applications in Everyday Life. Artificial intelligence is no longer just science fiction. It's part of our daily lives. From smart assistants to self-driving cars, AI is transforming how we work, communicate, and even stay healthy. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 most impactful AI applications in everyday life. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Stick around to see how AI is shaping the future and why it's just getting started. 10. Smart home assistants. At number 10, we have smart home assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple's Siri. These AI-powered devices control your lights, play your favorite music, order food, and even set reminders just by using your voice. As AI evolves, smart assistants will become even more advanced, learning our routines and anticipating our needs before we even ask. 9. AI-powered healthcare and diagnostics. At number 9, AI in healthcare is revolutionizing medical diagnosis and treatment. AI-powered systems can analyze X-rays, detect diseases like cancer at early stages, and assist doctors in making faster, more accurate diagnoses. We're even seeing AI surgical robots, reducing risks in complex procedures. With AI, healthcare is becoming smarter, faster, and more accessible than ever before. 8. Self-driving cars and AI in transportation. Imagine a world where cars drive themselves. Well, that's already happening. At number 8, AI-powered autonomous vehicles are revolutionizing transportation and road safety. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and even Apple are working on self-driving technology, while AI is also being used in traffic management to reduce congestion and accidents. AI is not just about smart cars, it's making our roads smarter too. 7. AI in fraud detection and cybersecurity. Coming in at number 7, AI is protecting your money and personal data from fraudsters and hackers. AI-powered systems scan millions of transactions per second to detect unusual activity and prevent financial fraud before it happens. From bank security to cyber defense, AI is keeping your digital life safe, even when you don't realize it. 6. Personal AI coaches and fitness assistants. Want a personal trainer without the gym fees? AI has you covered. At number 6, AI-powered fitness assistants analyze your health data, sleep patterns, and exercise routines to create customized workout plans and diet recommendations. Apps like MyFitnessPal, Fitbit AI Coach, and Apple's Health AI are making it easier than ever to stay fit, track progress, and improve your lifestyle, all thanks to AI. 5. AI chatbots and virtual assistants. Ever talk to a customer service agent online, only to realize later it was actually AI? At number 5, AI-powered chatbots are handling customer support, answering questions, and even helping businesses with online sales. From automating emails to handling bookings, AI is saving companies millions of hours and making life easier for customers. 4. AI in agriculture and smart farming. AI isn't just in tech, it's in farming too. At number 4, AI-powered smart agriculture is helping farmers predict weather patterns, optimize irrigation, and increase crop yields. Drones with AI scan fields to detect pests and diseases before they spread, making farming more efficient and sustainable. With AI, the future of agriculture is smarter than ever. 3. AI-powered translation and speech recognition. Language barriers? Not anymore. At number 3, AI-powered real-time translation and speech recognition tools are bridging communication gaps worldwide. With apps like Google Translate and AI-powered earbuds, you can now speak any language in real time, making global travel, business, and communication easier than ever before. 2. AI in cybersecurity and threat detection. Cybercriminals are getting smarter, but so is AI. At number 2, AI in cybersecurity is detecting threats before they cause damage. From protecting your identity online to detecting malware and phishing attacks, AI is defending businesses, governments, and even your personal devices from cyber threats. 1. AI in content creation and media. And finally, at number 1, AI is taking over content creation. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and AI video editors are generating articles, designing graphics, and even creating movies. From deep-fake technology to AI-assisted film production, AI is reshaping the entertainment industry and the way we create content. And there you have it, the top 10 most impactful AI applications in everyday life. Which one do you use the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for M.